I've tried a lot of gluten-free buns, but I don't know why they always stick to my teeth. These gluten-free buns have the perfect wholesome texture and will not stick to your teeth. So let's make them together on Glutensure today. I've included a link to the detailed recipe in the description below, so please make sure to check it out. Let's begin. So I have a combination of flours and starches as well as baking powder, salt and sugar. And then I'll be adding in water, butter, egg whites, psyllium husk and chia seeds. First off, in a large mixing bowl, I'm starting off by sieving together rice flour, sorghum flour, potato starch, tapioca starch, baking powder, and just sieving them together helps incorporate a lot of air into the mixture, making it light and fluffy, and also takes care of any impurities or lumps. Now I'm adding in the yeast as well as salt, sugar, just making sure that the yeast is not close to the salt. I'm also adding in psyllium husk, chia seeds, and giving it a nice mix using a spatula. I'm making a well into the center and I'm adding in my warmed up milk and 2 egg whites. The warm water and milk mixture helps activate the yeast, and I continue adding this mixture gradually. I'm also adding in white rice vinegar. The use of white rice vinegar makes the dough light and fluffy. I'm adding in olive oil, alternating with the water and milk mixture. And then adding in the butter as well. I'm using a hand mixer here and I'll be mixing all of these ingredients for about 5 to 6 minutes. You can also use a stand mixer as it makes the mixing process easier. After about 5 minutes, my whole mixture is a sticky dough. It is ready for first proofing. So first proof will be 1 hour. I've covered my dough with a plastic wrap and also wrapped a kitchen towel around the mixing bowl so that it has the nice warm temperature for the dough to be proofed. After the first proofing, my dough has doubled in size. It has absorbed a lot of the moisture that we added in the mixing process. Nice air pockets have formed in the dough, and at this point it is ready for me to start shaping them into buns and get them ready to bake. So first off, I'll grease my hands with a little bit of ghee spray. You can also use oil or butter for this, and I'll take small portions of the dough to make small balls, which I'll be placing into muffin liners. Now this step is completely optional of using muffin liners. I do that just to get a nice dome structure to the buns. Otherwise, sometimes the buns may expand sideways instead of rising up during the second proof process. The buns are now ready for the second proof. I cover the tray with a plastic wrap and also with a kitchen towel. So after second proof, just about 20 minutes, the buns you can see have doubled in size. And now I can start putting in any toppings. So I'm using black sesame seeds, white sesame seeds, and pumpkin seeds. And I'm also using a ghee spray on them. You can also use an egg wash during this phase. I'm placing the baking tray in the middle of the oven. I'm going to be baking them for about 20 to 22 minutes. The buns have baked for about 22 minutes and you can see how gorgeously beautiful they are with a nice golden top. And I'm now brushing them with some melted butter. This is also completely optional, but this helps keep the buns moist for longer. And now you can see you have a nice basket full of fluffy, delightful, wholesome gluten-free buns that you can enjoy with any protein of your choice. So I'm using a tofu patty here along with tomato and some cilantro. You can also make it using a turkey slice, cabbage, and tomatoes. These gluten-free buns are absolutely delightful. They are not sticky and have a perfect texture. Another pairing can be just with a little bit of olive oil and oregano. So do let me know what your favorite pairing for these gluten-free buns is. I hope you enjoyed the gluten-free bun recipe. I can't wait to hear from you on how your gluten-free buns turned out. Please let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.